Hello students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is Fair. So the culture and traditions of our colorful country are portrayed by a number of rural and urban fairs. How well are you familiar with the fairs given below? So this is a fair. What is a fair called in Hindi? It is called a mela. And the fairs or the melas often represent different cultures of our country. Let's see about some of the fairs that we have. Number one, this desert fair showcases handicrafts, music, dance and ethnic food and draws foreign visitors in droves. So this is a Jaisalmer festival. Desert festival because Jaisalmer is in Rajasthan. Second, this fair at the confluence of the Ganga and Bay of Bengal is held every year on Makar Sankranti, and this is Ganga Sagar Mela, and this is held every year at the confluence, at the convergence of the river Ganga and Bay of Bengal. Then you have number three, the largest camel fair of Rajasthan is held here every year, and this is the Pushkar Mela. It is the largest camel fair of Rajasthan. Then number four, each year between 1st and 15th February, a unique cultural festival is held in the small Haryana town near Delhi. The finest handicraft and handloom products are exhibited and sold here, and this is Suraj Kund Mela. Every year between 1st and 15th of February, every year. This is celebrated and organized in Haryana in near New Delhi, and various products of different cultures, not just in India but worldwide, are represented here. And number five, this fair witnesses the largest congregation of devotees in India and is held every 12 years at Prayag, Nasik, Ujjain, Haridwar alternately, and this is often referred to as a Kumbh Mela. It is held every 12 years at 4 different cities, which are Prayag, Nasik, Ujjain and Haridwar alternatively, and largest congregation of devotees you see at this place, not just from India but from all around the globe. Now, fun fact, the Tarnetar Mela, Gujarat is an unusual fair. One at its own turns into a marriage market for Kolis, the local tribe. It also includes folk dances. So this is the Tarnetar Mela. It is in Gujarat. It is an unusual kind of a thing which turns itself into a marriage market for a very specific period of time, and you can see various folk dances as well at this Mela. So students, with this we have come to the end of this chapter. Just go through this chapter thoroughly, revise it and to practice them.